different. Dan might do something a little bit different. But what I'd like you guys to work on is doing these cuts quickly and with limited or no foot movement and hand changes. You shouldn't have to change hands to do these.
Your body when you're not moving your feet.
What's that?
So how concerned are you about cutting into your body when
You don't
you're not
ever want to cut at your body. So I'm going to show you how you can cut without changing hands, without moving feet, and not cutting at your body. Okay? So if it works for you, great. But yeah, don't cut at your body, ever. All right? First cut your 45. All right? Pick an outside bearing wall, face it, cut it a 45 away from that wall. Why do we go at a 45? We know we're going to hit something at some point. Okay? If you cut a straight line and you're not the smartest guy, you're going to go 6 feet before you hit something, or 8 feet, right? Okay? Now just remember, that being said, if you're on that roof up there and you plunge and you just miss a rafter, you're going to go 2 feet before you hit another one. So with your 45, go at least 2 feet, you know, before you give up and say, I'm screwed up somehow. Does that make sense? Yep. All right. So the technique that I use, and you can use this right or left-handed, all right? I face a bearing wall, I'm gonna go at a 45 away from it. I keep my feet fairly close together. The key for me is that I make sure that my 45 goes past the inside foot of whichever direction I'm going. So if I'm plunging here and cutting at a 45, I've gotta come past my foot. If I'm cutting this way, I've gotta cut past that inside foot, all right? So I'm gonna plunge, 45. When I bump something, I'm gonna roll it. How far past do I go?
Past your foot.
Yeah, or 12 inches. Could it be 13 and a half inches? Sure. Could it be 16? Sure. Go at least 12, okay? But come past my foot. Now, I'm gonna go across the top. I'm gonna come down the bottom. I didn't move my feet. I didn't change my hands. I didn't cut my body. 45 past my foot. Across the top, down the side of my body. Okay? 45, across the top, down the side of my body. Make sure you intersect all your cuts. Hole does not need to be big. Okay? Another option. I'm going to move my feet. I'm not going to change my hands. 45, cut, cut. Okay? 45, cut, cut. What I'd really love to not see is this, okay? That's the reason, guys, okay? Smoking the dinner hole, nice and small, right? Nice and small, you should be able to step right over it and not even twist an ankle, right? The technique that we preach, the first cut's a little awkward, okay? First cut, up away from my body. Up, down, across the bottom. You're cutting the shape of the letter A. You never